A federal appeals court restored the Justice Department's access to classified documents that were seized from former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago home. Welcome to 1 Minute with Mace. Judge Aileen Cannon decided that a special master, Judge Deary, should be appointed to look at the myriad of claims from Mr. Trump, whether these documents were declassified, whether there was executive privilege, whether there was attorney-client privilege. Justice Department appealed part of this ruling because they said they needed access to classified documents because of national security concerns. Well, the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals agreed with them and restored access to the Justice Department to the classified documents. This has been 1 Minute with Mace.